Hello friends, you are welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, but I wanted to come out here to say thank you to all my new subscribers. It's just so exciting for this weekend. Since Friday, I've been overwhelmed with subscribers. I think for this year, this is the second time my video is going on viral and I'm getting more subscribers seeing my video. So I'm really appreciate everybody who is coming here. Thank you so much. Today is Sunday. We're going to count the money for the low income challenge that we did. And it's all about my low income challenge. One was the 100 envelope savings challenge, and we did this one. And we are also going to do the 100 envelope low income again. So keep watching. Hello everybody, my name is Josy. If you are new here, thank you. If you are my OG, you guys know I love you guys so much. Thank you for being part of my friends. Today is Sunday. Normally I don't post videos on Sunday, but we finished a challenge and I decided I was going to count it and also give you guys some freebies. And I'm so excited to give this freebie to you guys and at the same time count it so that tomorrow we will kick off another low income challenge. Super excited. I just want to say thank you to everybody. I want to give a special thanks to God for all that he has done for me from the beginning of the year to this time. Super excited today. You guys don't know, but please watch out. There's a giveaway coming for the 5,000 subscribers. So make sure you be part of it. Make sure you share the video for other people to know. And if you like the low income video challenge, leave in the comment below. We will do more of those for people who don't have enough money to save. Just a little bit to save. And I also want to make use of the money that we are saving. I have a purpose for this money. This money is going, especially this one, the winter challenge, is going to my student loan. Then this low income is going into my travel binder. But before I do that, I want to donate some. I want to give some to somebody, which I don't know how much I'm going to do that, but I will surely bless somebody with some of this money for sure. So for talking about blessing people, today our motivational message is donate to the charity. Among us as we live, there are people who will be in need. Even the Bible tells us that somebody who has $1 will also find somebody who only have $50, 50 cents. And 50-cent person will also meet somebody who only have 1 cent. So there is going to be people who are in need in the community. That's why the Bible stretch on a give to the needy. So make sure the little money that you get, if you can donate to charity, that would be great. That would be great. And also, I know a lot of people do church stuff. If there's something going in the church and you feel like giving, give a little bit. Jesus doesn't look at the person who does give big and the person who give small. If it's from your heart. So remember to donate to charity. So that's why I'm going to give just a little bit of this money to somebody. Bless somebody with it. So let's go ahead and count this one first before I will continue the video, because I want to show you what I'm for the spring challenge. It's very simple challenge that everybody can do as well. So we did the motivational savings challenge. You want to save. So this is the first challenge that I made. You can do it on your own way. So we have smiles. So smiles, we pick each letter to be $5. So we did save 25. So this is 25. Then we have love yourself first. Each letter was $1. So we did save $17. So I do have 17. 19. Then after that, we're gonna count it and see. Then we did thankful, grateful, blessed. Each letter was $1, so that was $23. Then we did live your dream. Each letter was $1. That was $13. We did good vibes only. Each letter was $1, so that was 13 as well. Then we did never gives up. Each letter was $1. That was $11. Start now. Each letter was $1, so that was $8. Then we have I can do this. Each letter was $1, so that was $10. And we did things positive. Each letter was $1. That was $13. Then we have don't stop until you are proud. Each letter was $1, so that was 23. Then we did stop dreaming and start doing. Each letter was $1, so that was $22. Almost done. With the good things takes time. Each letter was $1, so that was $18. And we did don't give up just because things are hard. Each letter was $1, so that was $34. Then we have be the best version of yourself. That was the last one. Each letter was $1, and that was $26. So that's all for this challenge. Let's see how much we save. And like I said, I still have this challenge in my shop. So in case anybody want to grab it, you are welcome to do so. But if you don't want to, I still have the videos how I was saving it in under the low income challenge. You can watch it and still save along. So let's see how much we save. Super excited about this amount. Let me put the book on the side here. Okay, let's get the calculator. Are you guys ready? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's $80. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 50. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's another 50. Okay. Then we have this ones. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. So this was 76. So it was 180 plus 76. So we save about $256. So that's how much we save from the challenge, the low income challenge that we've been doing. So if you have been doing this, the amount you're supposed to have You can also go ahead and follow along from my videos and still do it. I'm also going to put together the short videos so that it will be simple for you to follow along as well. So I'll post that video as well. So this is how it look like. This is the money. If you were you, what are you going to use this money for? Leave in the comment below. I'm going to put some towards my traveling binder, and I'm also going to put some in my blessing binder in case I want to bless somebody with some of this money. So that's what I want to do. What about you? How will you feel if you do this little by little when you get this money? This money can go into investment. It can go into your emergency fund. You need a motivation to save? I'm your girl. Thank you so much. So we're done with that one. Now let's go ahead and count the winter challenge. So this is the winter challenge that we did since from December, when the winter challenge, the winter ends in March 19th, then we start the spring. So this is the challenge that we did. We're going to count it, and that money is going to go towards my student loan this week. So this one, I have it for free in my description below. Anybody can download it for free. I'm also going to share the spring one for free. So let's see how much we save on there. And I did have this envelope, but for the spring one, I'm not going to have envelope because most people told me that they just downloaded this one and they put it in their regular envelopes. So there's no need for me to create an envelope for it. So this was how the envelope looked like. So we put that one on the side, and now let's count the money. Let's see. Let's put them in the tray. I didn't ask how everybody was doing. I hope everybody's doing very well. I'm excited, sad and excited, which I'm going to tell you guys the story about my YouTube channel. Not today, but I will tell you. I'm really, really excited, but at the same time, there's a lot of work that goes into the videos that you watch, and it's if I tell you how many hours I've been sleeping, you will be surprised. At times I don't even sleep, so I'm like zombie, and I drink a lot of coffee just to stay awake. It's been a stressful moment, but God has been good. Okay, so we have the dollar. Let me count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 5. So $6 plus. Then the $5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So let me do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 55. So that's 61. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 50. Then we have 20s. 1, 2. That's 40. $61 plus 55 plus 40. Then I also have 50. So plus 50. So that will be $206. So $206 is going to go into my student loan for this week. So That's what we are using the seasons challenge for. I might use it for my student loan. That's why I like doing savings challenges. It just give you a different vibe to save towards stuff. I know I could have just moved this amount into my savings challenge, but I should have moved this amount into my savings account and that. But are you sure you're going to save that money? This one, I got the money at my hand. I'm just going to put it in my account and pay off my student loan. Super grateful for this. So that's the winter challenge. And now, let's go ahead and show you the spring challenge. So for the spring challenge, it's very, very simple. So this is the spring challenge. When you do this challenge, you're going to save $200. Very simple, $200 challenge. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 30 of them. You can do it monthly. Like every day you pick a number and you do it. Or you can do it the whole entire time of spring. So the spring starts on the 19th, which is on Tuesday, till July. So the spring start from Tuesday on the 19th of March to June 20th, Thursday. That's when the spring ends. So throughout the spring, we're going to save $200. Somebody may think that it's too small. Nope. It's just a low income challenge that anybody can do. Let's say you save $200 each season. At the end of the year, you have $800. And that $800 can be your Christmas shopping. You don't have to put it on credit card. That $800 can be invested. Do you know that now some of the stocks are going higher and higher? I bought a stock for less than $200, and now one worth $800. I'm tempted to sell that stock, but I am not. So you never know. You never know. You never know at all. So I urge you to, this is free. It's going to be in my description. Go download it for free and do this challenge with me. I'm going to do it on the channel here as well if you want to follow along, but it's going to be free in my description. So that's our spring challenge. Very easy challenge that anybody can do. So today I officially want to say thank you to all my 5,000 and plus subscribers. I really, really appreciate everybody. I wish I can stand on the roadside and give everybody a hug. Everybody, I'm throwing the hug to you. Thank you so much. I appreciate everybody. So thanks for watching me today. Remember, you can donate to a charity. Any little money you get, you can still donate it. It doesn't even have to be money. It can even be your old clothes that you are not wearing, your old shoes that we are not wearing. You can take it to Salvation Army or Goodwill. Those are all charities that they sell stuff in a low price for people who don't have a lot of money. So thank you so much. I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Remember, we're going to kick off the 100 envelope savings challenge in a different way. That is also a low income. So come back and watch me tomorrow. I'll give the details there. And I'm also trying to see if I should give the detail of the giveaway in tomorrow's video. So come back and watch. I will see you in tomorrow's video. Go and be grateful. Bye.